Hi learners! I am Mom Sharnes, your English 5 teacher, and welcome back to our English class. In this video, you will learn how to provide evidence to support fact and opinion. English 5 MELC-based lesson, Quarter 3, Lesson 4, Week 4. Our lesson objective is to provide evidence to support fact and opinion. Take note, learners. Fact and opinion statement are often combined when writing a persuasive essay, when making an advertisement, when giving speech, or even when writing a non-fictional text. Its purpose is to persuade and convince the reader or the listener. We are often combining fact and opinion kapag nais nating makahikayat or makakumbinse ng mga nakikinig or bumabasa. Our purpose is to persuade and convince the reader or the listener. When we are writing a persuasive essay, when we are making an advertisement or kapag gumagawa ng mga commercials, and even when giving speech, gusto natin na maging kapanipaniwala yung mga sinasabi natin. That's why, hindi lang puro opinion ang binibigay natin. We are also giving facts. If the reader or the listener don't know the difference between fact and opinion, he or she might have misleading judgment. Kailangan alam natin ang pagkakaiba ng fact sa opinion statement. Makatutulong ito upang hindi tayo magkamali sa pag-judge or pagbibigay natin ng sariling opinion. Take note, to make proper judgment and to decide whether to believe or not to believe the statement, distinguishing fact and opinion is necessary. Distinguishing fact and opinion. The ability to distinguish between facts and opinion helps people think for themselves and resist being manipulated by others. Kapag alam natin ang fact and opinion statement, may iwasan natin ang magkamali ng judgment at may iwasan rin natin ang maniwala pa basta-basta doon sa sinasabi sa statement. Knowing the difference will help you develop your critical thinking and the ability to reason out. If we know the difference between fact and opinion statement, mas magkakaroon tayo ng matalinong paghusga o paghatol kung dapat ba nating paniwalaan or dapat ba talaga tayong makumbinse doon sa sinasabi ng tao or even doon sa mga nababasa natin or napapanood natin. Providing evidence to support facts and opinion. If the purpose in writing or giving speech is to convince people, it is a must to provide necessary evidence to persuade them, to make them believe on the statement. If our goal is to convince people, is to persuade people, magbigay tayo ng hindi lang puro opinion natin. Magbigay rin tayo ng mga facts or truthful information. Fact and opinion. Fact statements can be verified with evidence. The fact statements has proof or meron itong mga pruweba or ebidensya na totoo nga yung information na yon. Facts are something that is true. Ang fact statement ay mga statement na pawang katotohanan lamang. Example, the sun is the center of our solar system. May mga pag-aaral na at research ang mga scientists and the mga astrologists na talagang ang sun ang center ng ating solar system. Facts also tells what actually happened, and it cannot be changed. Example, COVID-19 was first reported from Wuhan, China on December 31, 2019. This event actually happened. Ito ay talagang nangyari and it cannot be changed. Hindi pwedeng baguhin ang nangyari na talaga. Here are the clues to prove whether the statement is a fact or not. Time and dates. Historical events. Numbers and statistics. Scientific data. Names and places. References. Then lastly, documents. And next, let's talk about the opinion. Opinion or opinion sa Tagalog, it cannot be verified with evidence. Kung si fact ay kayang patunayan by giving evidence, ang opinion, it cannot be verified. It may differ depending on a person's own belief or judgment. Ang opinion ay maaaring maiba-iba. All of us may have different perspective, so opinion varies. One's ideas, feelings, beliefs, likes or dislikes are different as well. May iba-iba tayong mind thinking. We can give our own ideas from a certain statements or a certain thing. May kanya-kanya tayong nararamdaman, paniniwala, gusto or ayaw. And so that is the meaning of opinion. Sa Tagalog, palagay, kuro-kuro, or opinion. Example, the most enjoyable hobby during quarantine is baking. Hindi naman lahat ng tao na-enjoy or mas pinaka na-enjoy ang pagbe-bake. Everyone has different likes. Everyone enjoy different hobbies. May ibang tao na mas na-enjoy nila ang pag-exercise, pagbabasa, and so on. Next example, I believe that smartphones is now a necessity and not anymore a luxury. It says na naniniwala ako na ang smartphones ay essential or kailangan na ngayon at hindi na ito isang luho lang. Dito sa example na ito, may kanya-kanya tayong palagay or opinion. Sa ibang tao, hindi naman essential or necessity ang pagkakaroon ng smartphones. Especially kung hindi naman nila ginagamit sa trabaho ang smartphones. Pwede namang regular phones na lang. If they are farmers, if they are vendors, kung hindi naman nila kailangan ang mas high-tech na phone, for them, they might believe that it's just a luxury. Here are some of the clue phrases or pointers that can be found in expressing opinions. When expressing a personal opinion, we can start with this expression. I think, I feel that, perhaps, maybe, as far as I'm concerned, to my mind, my attitude towards that is, I guess, I suppose, I believe, personally speaking, or probably. Kapag nakita natin na ang statement ay nagsisimula dito sa mga phrases na ito, definitely that is an opinion statement. When we are expressing a general opinion, we can start it with this expression. Ito naman kapag nagbibigay ng opinion ng ibang tao. It is thought that, some people say that, it is generously accepted that, some or others thought that, and then last, we used a feeling-based verb in expressing our opinion like believe, seem, might, think, best, or worst, should, feel, always or never, might, should. So again, these are the clue phrases or pointers that we can use when expressing an opinion. However, we should not totally rely on these clue phrases. I-analyze natin ang buong statement talaga if it is an opinion or not. Intindihin nating mabuti yung sinasabi sa statement. Because sometimes hindi naman natin makikita itong mga clue phrases na ito. To test if you understand our lesson, let's have activity. Identify if the statement is a fact or opinion. I believe that reading books is still the wisest thing to do. Is it fact or opinion? The answer is opinion. I think that it will be good to experience 100 Island first. This is opinion. President Duterte is the current president of the Philippines. Is it fact or opinion statement? It is fact. Watching movies is boring. It is fact or opinion? It's opinion. Even though there's no clue word or clue phrase, by just analyzing the statement, we can conclude that this is still an opinion statement. May mga taong na-enjoy talaga ang panonood ng movies. Pero may mga tao din naman na hindi na-enjoy ang movies at naiinip lang sila. Dahil meron nga tayong iba't ibang gusto at ayaw, magkakaiba talaga tayo ng opinion. Next, food and water are essential to live. Is it fact or opinion? Na ang tubig at pagkain ay kailangan para mabuhay. It is fact. Hindi lang tao kundi lahat ng living creature kailangan ang tubig at pagkain para mabuhay. The sun rises and sets every single day. It is a fact. Alam mo naman natin na totoong ang araw ay sumisikat tuwing umaga at lumulubog tuwing dapit hapon. And this can also be proven by science. So let's go back on the first statement, the opinion statement. We have the clue word, I believe. On the second one, we have the clue word, I think that. And dito, it's given fact, totoong impormasyon. Hindi na kailangan ng mga clue word dito. On the fourth statement, watching movies is boring. This is already an opinion statement. Pero kung gusto nating gumamit ng clue word, we can use, for me, watching movies is boring. And another fact. I hope you all got the correct answers, learners. Now, let's move to the next activity. Decide if each statement tells a fact or opinion. Write F for fact and O for opinion. Pause this video while answering and you can type your answer on the comment box down below. And here are the answers. If you want more, you may answer these additional learning activities. Just pause this video while answering. And that is it for our lesson today. I hope you learned something in this video. Once again, I am Mom Sharnes, your English teacher. Till next time, class dismissed.